In biotech, two small-cap companies advanced on trial data. Dynavax reported top-line results from a phase 3 study for its hepatitis B vaccine. So does this mean the vaccine could hit the market in the near future?
Hi Jane, Dynavax Technologies announced that its experimental hepatitis B vaccine met its goal in a late-stage study. HEPLISAV-V was found to be safe and effective. According to Dynavax, its vaccine was more effective than Energix-B, which is a vaccine that is currently on the market. In type 2 diabetes patients, the response rate of patients who received HEPLISAV-V was 90% versus patients on Energix-B, which was over 60%. Now, for the phase 3 trial, HBV23, the Hep B vaccine results will see Dynavax resubmit its marketing application to the FDA by the end of March this year. Now, back in February 2013, an earlier application was rejected. The company plans to address issues raised by the agency and respond to chemistry, manufacturing, and controls issues in a complete response letter. As for the review process, the company expects a 6-month FDA review period.
What about the financials of Dynavax?
Well, there are 4 analysts who currently cover Dynavax, and all rate the Berkeley, California-based biopharma as a buy. When looking at the company, there are both positives and negatives. Dynavax has no debt, which is a good sign, but its net income is nothing to write home about. The clinical stage biopharma has a market cap of over $785 million to date. As for the stock itself, its monthly and year-to-date performance stands in negative territory. Now, Dynavax has underperformed the biotech industry in the latest quarter, but it did see a bump in the return on equity in the same quarter compared to the year-ago period. And at the same time, revenue for the company slid by a double-digit percentage point.
An overseas biotech company trading higher on the NASDAQ, Uniqure, announced gene therapy data from an early-stage result. Now, how promising are those results?
Uniqure presented results from an early-stage study of AMT-060. It's a gene therapy for patients with hemophilia B. The Dutch biotech reported that 4 out of 5 patients treated with AMT-060 were able to discontinue a routine treatment for the condition. Hemophilia B is caused by the deficiency of a gene that is vital in blood clotting. At the same time, 1 patient saw a rise in liver enzyme levels and was placed on a shorter treatment. Now, the company is one of many that are attempting to find effective treatments for hemophilia. Uniqure is one of several different groups developing gene therapy treatments for hemophilia. Other companies include Baxalta, Biogen, BioMarin Pharma, Dimension Therapeutics, Spark, and Sangamo Biosciences. Now, Baxalta is the only other company that has produced early clinical trial results so far.
Straight ahead, we head across the pond for a look at what's happening in the European markets when Small Cap Nation comes right back.